48. Satish's eyes filled with tears and he did an uncharacteristic thing. When Satish's eyes filled with tears and he did an uncharacteristic thing. Okay. So, ಇದನ್ನ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ Satish, the 48th question. Satish eyes filled with tears and he did an uncharacteristic thing. So, ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ 33rd paragraph, 33ನೇ paragraph ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು. When did Satish eyes filled with tears? ಯಾವಾಗ ಆತನ ಕಣ್ಣು ಆನಂದ ಬಾಷ್ಪದಿಂದ ತುಂಬಿತ್ತು? When Satish's father bought art materials for Satish and decided to put him in art school. ಸೊ ಅವರು ಯಾವಾಗ ಆತನಿಗೆ ಚಿತ್ರಕಲೆಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದಂತ ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನು ತಂದುಕೊಟ್ಟು ಆತನನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಚಿತ್ರಕಲಾ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಸೇರ್ಸೋದಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಿರ್ಧಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೋ ಆವಾಗ ಆತನಿಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಆನಂದ ಬಾಷ್ಪ ತುಂಬಿತ್ತು. ಓಕೆ. B. What does uncharacteristic mean? Uncharacteristic means not typical. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಅವರ ತಂದೆ ವಿರೋಧ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. Always he used to oppose for his son's drawing and painting. Okay, when he started supporting and brought materials for Satish, that is uncharacteristic. What uncharacteristic thing he did do? Satish hugged his father tightly. That was the uncharacteristic thing did by Satish. Even Satish's father was uncharacteristic here because he supported his painting. Okay. So, what was the uncharacteristic thing the Satish did here? Satish hugged his father tightly. Uncharacteristic means what? Non-typical.